Question 1. Convert the following temperature to Celsius scale. 300 K. Answer. Formula. Celsius equals Kelvin minus 273. 300 K equals 300 minus 273 equals 27 degrees Celsius. 573 K. Answer. 573 K equals 573 minus 273 equals 300 degrees Celsius. Question 2. What is the physical state of water at 250 degrees Celsius? Answer. At this temperature, water exists as steam gas. 100 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, water is at its boiling point, so it is in the process of changing from liquid to gas. Both liquid and gas coexist at this point. Question 3. For any substance, why does the temperature remain constant during the change of state? Answer. During the change of state, temperature remains constant because the heat energy supplied is used to overcome the force of attraction between particles, not to increase kinetic energy. This hidden energy is called latent heat. Question 4. Suggest a method to liquefy atmospheric gas. Answer. Method to liquefy atmospheric gases. Cool the gas to a low temperature. Apply high pressure to compress it. This method is used in industries to liquefy gases like oxygen and nitrogen. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe our Get Skill Up channel for more educational info.